I'm Sharon Kreider. I'm a CPA and an enrolled agent in Sunnyvale, California. I teach tax update classes to tax professionals. So welcome while I talk to you about the Affordable Care Act, Obamacare, healthcare reform, and talk to you about the employer requirement to provide insurance to employees beginning in 2014. Vern Hoven and I did a webcast for our tax professional friends. It was sponsored by Paychex. We had 2,500 viewers and lots of questions came in. So let me tell you in our quick e-video alert, let me tell you about the top 5 questions that came from our CPA and enrolled agent and tax professional friends. So number 1 question that came in: do all businesses have to provide insurance to their employees? Beginning in 2014, small businesses do not have to provide health insurance. So if your business or your client's business employs 10 people, employs 25 people, they're considered a small business and they do not have to change anything. They do not have to provide health insurance. If your business has 50 or more full-time equivalent employees, then beginning in 2014, you'll have to provide a health insurance plan that provides minimum essential coverage, that's about 60% coverage, that provides minimum coverage, and the premium that your employee pays must be affordable. Affordable is defined as the premium can't exceed 9.5% of the employee's W-2 income. So full-time equivalent employee, I don't even know what that means. Well, here's what the government means. I can't have 60 full-time employees, move them all to part-time and say, well, now I'm not a big enough employer. This is counted by the number of hours my employees work, calculated on a monthly basis, divided by 30 hours a week, 120 hours a month, and then that makes the employee a full-time equivalent for this count. I have 100 employees, but some are part-time. Do I have to pay 100% of the insurance premiums for all 100 employees? And the answer is no. I do the count to determine if I have 50 full-time equivalent employees. And if I am considered a big employer under that definition, then I must provide affordable health insurance to those employees that work for me full-time. And full-time defined as 30 hours a week, 120 hours a month. So my part-timers, the variety of people who work 20 hours for me a week, I do not provide insurance. My full-time people, I provide affordable insurance, meaning they pay part of the premium and I pay part of the premium. So this does not require my business to pay all of the insurance premium. Number 3 question: if I don't pay for part-timers, if I don't have to pay for part-time employees, why don't I convert all of my employees to part-time and then I don't have to pay any health insurance? Well, you could certainly do that, but remember, you have full-time employees for a business reason. You may indeed convert some people to part-time for business reasons to save some health insurance premium money, but I don't think you're going to want to convert everybody to part-time, or your business will look a lot like a hamburger franchise with lots of part-time people working. What is the penalty if my business does not provide affordable health insurance for its employees and I'm required to do that? The penalty is $2,000 a year for each employee above 30 employees that you don't pay premiums for. So you can see the penalty is not deductible, but also penalty is not the price of insurance. And finally, a little bit more of a philosophical question: if the penalty is so small, why don't I drop the company's insurance plan and save all of the premiums that I've been paying in the past? You can do that. You could drop your entire health insurance plan, pay this small penalty, $2,000 a year, instead of the several thousand a year you're paying in premiums. But again, this is business, not tax. I believe you have full-time employees that you provide benefits to because it's good business. It's good for retention. It may not be about the goodwill, but it certainly is about good business. I'm Sharon Kreider. Those were the top 5 questions from our Paychex-sponsored webcast on the Affordable Care Act and employers in 2014 providing insurance.